Hi, my name is Liu Xiaojun and my matrix number is 259283.
My name is Lo Hui Ming. My matric number is 258953.
My name is Nordania. My matric number is 259163.
My name is Gong Ga Qian. My matrix number is 258970.
What is sampling? A sample is a smaller collection of units from a population used to determine truths about that population. Why we need sample? Because it can help us to save resource and workload, and second, give result with known accuracy that can be calculated mathematically. For example, it used by auditor to select a document for watching.
Now let's start our lesson.
Now we start explain the probability sampling. It has 4 types of probability sampling. First is random sampling, second is systematic sampling, then is stratified sampling, and the last is cluster sampling. The first is random sampling. In simple random sampling, each element has an equal chance of being selected. Now we go to the example. Now this is all the population. We just choose randomly to be our sample, without having any procedure, rules, or criteria. The selected flowers are become sample, so this process are called random sampling.
Next, we focus on systematic sampling. Systematic sampling is the selection of samples from a population with a random starting point and a fixed periodic interval. So let's look at the example. This is our population. A systematic sample can be selecting from a population of active 4 emoji. Now we were selecting every third emoji as our sample. From the left, we were starting to count 1, 2, 3, so the third emoji will be selected, and count again 1, 2, 3, we will get the next sample, and repeat again the step until all samples are selected from the population, so at the end, 28 emoji will be our sample. The selected method that present is systematic sampling.
Now we keep on to stratified sampling. Now we go on to definition. Researchers obtain stratified sample by dividing the population into groups according to some characteristic that is important to the study, then sampling from each group. Now we go to the example. This is all the population that show in the example. Then we classify the population into group by characteristic. Then we select random from each group. Last, in this data are stratified on a target and a sample is taken from each strata so that the red target class will be more represented in the sample. And this process is called stratified sampling. At the end, we focus on cluster sampling. Now we go to the definitions. Cluster sampling studies a cluster of the general populations, divide population into separate groups, then randomly select some of the group for the sample. And now we go to the example. This is all our population which separated by city. Cluster sample is not selected by individual, but it is randomly select some of the group for our sample. This is the example which is show the probability of cluster sampling. At the conclusion, all the examples are show the probability sampling. Probability sampling can be used in every stage. So that is all the explanation that present by our group. Thanks for watching and listening. And please don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channels.
Created using Powtoon.